Ford Bronco has never been a product to me. It's a lifestyle, and I love living it. I can't believe I got my first 68 in 1991. I've restored over 1,000 since. Customizing is how you make it your own. Words like vintage, classic, iconic really don't do it justice. Those of us living this Bronco lifestyle know the invigorating feeling is fresh every time we turn the key and take the wheel. I'm always eager just to be a driver. It's where it takes you and how it makes you feel, the freedom it gives you to pursue anything. It's not just about off-roading and rocky roads. Smooth rides are important too. There's no reason to stop living our dreams. Keeping these treasures on the road is my passion. I'm gonna keep doing it. Plenty of miles to go.